Hi everyone. Today, we will be creating a unique knitting design featuring horizontal sections. These sections will resemble flower beds and be made up of 3-layer loops, each inside the other, starting from a common point. We will knit across 4 rows to create these flower-like patterns. By using these flower patterns, you can create beautiful raised stripes that alternate with 4 rows of stockinette stitch. To start, cast on a multiple of 2 stitches and add 1 symmetry loop and 2 edge loops. After knitting 4 initial rows of stockinette stitch, we come to the first row on the right side. Slip the edge loop first. Then purl 1 loop from the bottom row. Slip 1. And pull 1 long loop from the second row below. Again, purl 1 loop from the bottom row. Slip 1, and pull 1 long loop from the second row below. Continue knitting in this manner until you reach the end of the row. The second row is on the wrong side. Slip the edge loop first, then knit 1 and purl 2 together. Again, knit 1 and purl 2 together. And so on until the end of the row. After the first 2 rows, we have 2 loops inserted into each other. The third row is on the right side. Slip the edge loop first, then purl 1 from the bottom row. Slip 1. And pull 1 long loop from where we pulled in the first row. Again, purl 1 from the bottom row. Slip 1, and pull 1 long loop from where we pulled in the first row. And so on until the end of the row. The fourth row is on the wrong side. We follow the same steps as in the second row, knit 1, and purl 2 together, knit 1, and purl 2 together until the end of the row. Next are 4 rows of stockinette stitch. On the 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th rows, we knit on the right side and purl on the wrong. This knitting pattern creates a fabric with a unique flower texture, suitable for all-season garments and accessories made with any yarn. I hope you find it useful for your future projects. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.